One of my favorite flowers is the begonia, and there are so many varieties. Are you guys familiar with begonias? I love this new one. It's got these dark purple leaves, and then the contrasting soft, creamy yellow flower that actually has a little bit of a pink margin on it. And then for the surprise, when you turn it around, the leaf is a total different color. It's got like a maroon color. And then take a look at this little jewel. This is a gorgeous apricot begonia. It's got green leaves, and the flower itself almost looks like a little rose. And then take a look at this beauty. You're saying, that's not a begonia. Yes, it is. This is called the Rex begonia, and it's really known for its exotic painted leaves. I don't even think I've ever seen a flower in it. I don't care. Now, one of my favorites is my new megawatt red green leaf begonia. And it's got these waxy, large, dark green leaves, and it's kind of shiny on the one side, and on the other side it's kind of fuzzy. So it's got a lot of texture. And then it's got that classic red flower with the yellow button, which most of you associate with the wax begonia. So now that you've seen my little collection, I want to share some tips with you on how to keep your wax begonias in tip-top shape.